Hello, my name is Dan. In this video, I will show you how to set up broadcast campaigns, which is a one-time email blast to your accounts and contacts. For example, a monthly newsletter. From the home page, under the marketing section, select the link Broadcast Campaign to initiate a one-time email blast to your accounts and contacts. Click on Add to create a new campaign. Select the category in which you created the marketing template. Note, if you are unsure of which category you created the template, you can always go back and verify by looking at your template information. To do this, simply bring up the list of marketing templates from entering the section from the home screen. Once you have verified the correct category, select it, and then select your newly created template from the template drop-down selector, and then click on Select. First, give your campaign a name. This name is only for you to know and what you call the campaign. Your customers will not see this name. Next, select the groups to which this campaign is directed. Note, you can select up to 3 groups at a time. You can also select contact filter and account filter. However, most people use groups. Clicking on the small blue icon that looks like a business card to the right of the selected group or groups will display all of the people who are part of the selected group, and you can see the total number of people on the upper right corner of the page. Now you can add the from name and from email section so that the recipients can see who the email is from. If you want to use a different email address other than your email address for Soffront, click on the From Email. Simply click on the Verify Email selection and you will be prompted to enter an email to verify. Once the email has been verified, it will appear in the drop-down menu. In the subject line, you can personalize it to show up the way you want in their inbox. For example, you can have the email show a greeting with their first name. To personalize the subject line, click Personalize to the end of the subject line and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu you can select the first name option. You can make last-minute modifications to the template as well. Once you have selected which of the settings and modifications you need, click Save. Once you have saved the campaign, other options will appear directly to the right of the Save icon. Schedule, Execute Now, Copy, Test, Rules, and Results. Clicking on the schedule brings up a dialog box that allows you to select the exact date for the email blast. Within this box, there is an option to post the email to the social media of your choice. To choose the social media, you can click and then log into the respective social media accounts. Select the social media platform where you want to post, then click on Schedule. Click on Execute Now will send the email out right away. Clicking Copy will create an exact copy of this template. Now I go back to the broadcast campaign list and click Refresh to bring up the Save Broadcast Campaign. If your newly created campaign is not readily available in the default list, simply click on the Created On tab to see the most recently created broadcast campaign. Clicking Test sends the email to yourself to test if it will go to the spam folder. Clicking on Rules will take you to the Rules page. If you have no previously added rules, the page will be blank. To add a rule, click on Add. Clicking on the If drop-down gives you three options: link clicked, opened, and unsubscribed. Once you have chosen your If option, now the Then option needs to be chosen. Think of it as If is action and Then is reaction. Clicking Notify allows you to choose who gets notified of the email's progress. Clicking on Change Group will allow you to select the new location of the leads once they are clicked on their options from the email. In most cases, when the user unsubscribes, the best change group option is to select Remove from Group. By selecting to add a note, you can add notes to the Accounts Notes section. This note can be to the effect of, do not send this person any more emails. The Add Task option allows you to set up a follow-up action after the user submits an action. In most cases, it reminds you to call the customer to see why they unsubscribed. The Do By in this section is to set the maximum number of days to wait after their action to follow up with the lead. Lastly, there is an option called Update, which allows you to update the field you want to see updated after the action is taken. For this example, let's use source and then select the type of source you want updated. If the source that you are looking for is not listed, selecting Add to this list will allow you to add a source of your choosing. Once you are finished creating the rule, click Save and OK to save the rule for the participating campaign. Note, the rule section If Then is completed optionally. Once you are done with the campaign rule, navigate back to the broadcast campaign section to finalize the settings. From here, you can click on the results page to see how it is performing. To also see the results from reports, go to Home and click on the Reports link in the Marketing section. Clicking on the drop-down labeled Broadcast Run Data will allow you to specify the timetable in which to run the reports. In this display, you should see the details of your email campaign, sent, opened, unopened, and so forth. You are able to select any one of the details to see the records of each action. From this area, you are able to select the individuals and/or groups and change the group to which they belong, or even send them a different email campaign by selecting them and using the menu that appears on the left side of the page. Note, once the lead unsubscribes, they are automatically marked as opt-out and will not receive any further marketing campaigns. Bounce refers to emails that were sent but rejected by the server because the user's inbox was full or the provided email is invalid. Drop, which means that the server was not able to connect with the leads at all. Unopened means that they have reached the email but have not opened it. Unsubscribe means that the recipient has received the email and clicked the unsubscribe link. I hope you have found this video helpful and useful today, and I look forward to sharing and showing you additional features and functionalities of your Soffront CRM system in upcoming videos. Thank you.